Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Rosana C. Johnson with my research buddy, Miss Mean M. Macalinaw, both math teachers from Tansa National Grade School. Our research is entitled Secondary Mathematics Teachers' Awareness of Utilizing Social Media in Their Teaching in Tansa National Grade School. Rationale of our study. We conducted this research for the following reasons. The use of internet in teaching and learning is significant nowadays. Both the teachers and the students have familiarity with social media use. Social media platforms are mostly used as sources of information. Social media enhances teachers' interaction to students. It also improves instructional materials preparation and it makes teachers technologically advanced. For our key literature, social media. Social media is a computer-based technology that facilitates the sharing of ideas, thoughts, and information through the building of virtual networks and communities. And according to Rivero of 2011, he defines social media as any tool that is similar to Facebook. Social networking. Social networking is the use of internet-based social media sites. It is used to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, customers, or clients. And according to Kenton of 2021, it can have a social purpose, a business, or both through Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And according to Baran of 2014, in his review of 37 researches on mobile learning and networking, some of his conclusions include, first, participants vary in their perceptions, attitudes, and usage patterns of mobile learning, and second, mobile learning was reportedly as beneficial in teacher education contexts. For the methodology, sampling. Data are collected through total population sampling. Respondents. Those were the junior high school and senior high school math teachers, both from main and annex campuses of Tansa National Trade School. For the questionnaires, these are adapted questionnaires from Abdullah Sulaiman Al-Balawi of the University of Tabuk, Saudi Arabia. For the data collection, the researchers asked permission from their school head prior to the conduct of the study. The teacher respondents were provided a link for the questionnaires consisting questions parallel to the statement of the problem. Findings. Table 1 shows the frequency, percentage, and rank distribution of the respondents in terms of gender. As revealed from the table, there were 14 female or 78% and 4 male or 22% for a total of 18 teacher respondents in all. Table 2 shows the frequency and percentage distribution of the respondents in terms of teaching experience. So for 1 to 5 years in teaching, there's only 1 female respondent and then 2 male respondents. For 6 to 10 years in teaching, there were 10 females and 2 males. 11 to 15 years, 2 females and no male respondents. And for 16 to 20 years, there's only 1 female respondent and no male respondent. So all in all, there were 14 females and 4 male respondents. Table 3 shows the frequency and percentage distribution of the respondents in terms of level taught. So for junior high school grade 7 teachers, there were 4, grade 8, 2, grade 9, 4, grade 10, 3, grade 11, 4, and grade 12, 1, for a total of 18 teachers. So for the continuation of our presentation, I am giving the floor to my co-researcher, Miss Mean M. Macalinaw. Thank you.
Our findings in Table 4 to obtain weighted mean rank and verbal interpretations of the extent to which the mathematics teachers are using social media in their teaching. So based in our Table 4, it can be noted that most of the respondents are using social media in their teachings. For our Table 5, based on the findings in Table 5, it can be noted that most of the respondents perceive social media in their teaching as somewhat important. For Table 6, we have computed t-value to which the mathematics teachers perceive social media in their teaching important in terms of gender. So based on the result, it can be noted that the mathematics teacher perception on social media teaching important as not significant in terms of gender. So the implications, the role of social media in teaching learning process cannot be ignored. So it provides the following: access to useful information, connects with learning groups, makes learning more interesting and engaging. For our conclusions, so based on the results of the study, the following are the conclusions. Facebook Messenger and Facebook social media application have big impact to teaching due to effective and easy transfer of communications to students. The extent to which the math teachers are using social media in their teaching is generally categorized as sometimes used, which means of average usage. Math teachers perceive the use of social media in their teaching as somewhat important. Male and female teacher perception on using social media in teaching as important do not differ, and the teacher respondents were different from each other in terms of their number of years in teaching. For our recommendation, due to technology demand nowadays that we are most of the time staying in the digital world, the teachers must be fully aware of the different strategies and demands the following offers: social network, social media, mathematics teaching, mobile learning. As mentioned, there are lots of advantages of using social media on lesson preparation and lesson delivery of teacher as well as learning engagement of most of students. Indeed, it must be sustained so the teacher will not be left behind in terms of technology. So these are our references.